Normally I test gadgets myself extensively, but with the Dreame AirStyle Pro that's not really going to work, as you can see. So instead I gave it to my wife as a Christmas gift, and today I'm just sharing her experiences with you. She used it to get ready for Christmas and now she's getting ready for New Year's Eve. Hey, it's me, Martijn, and
I'm Victoria, and normally on this channel Martijn tests smart and battery-powered products himself, but as you can see, this video is a little different. This isn't a technical deep dive or a beauty tutorial. It's also not Martijn pretending he suddenly knows how to style hair. I'm using it the way I normally would, getting ready for the holidays.
And I'm just sharing her experiences with you and letting you know if you should maybe pick one up for your partner, your girlfriend or your wife as well. Now, I didn't pick this up randomly. I gave it to her because I want the best value for my money. And Dyson just doesn't really hit that sweet spot that Dreame does. This one promises a lot in the box. A dryer, curlers, brushes, volume tools, all in one setup, without going right away into ridiculously expensive territory. Now, your first impressions?
This one feels really premium. The case has this leather-like texture, everything is neatly laid out and all the attachments snap on magnetically, which sounds small, but it's actually so convenient in daily use. As a person with long hair, there are three important things for me: drying, volumizing and automatic curling. Drying, easy peasy. It feels fast, but it doesn't feel extremely hot or aggressive. Compared to my €30 dryer, this thing is a rocket. Volume. It's effortless. For volume, it's much more about control than force. You can really guide your hair instead of fighting it. And then, Martijn, the automatic curlers.
I can't really do that.
Which is probably what most people are curious about. It looks tricky, but it's actually very intuitive. The airflow wraps your hair around the paddle automatically. Once you understand the direction, it's quick and consistent, and the curls feel soft, not forced or crunchy.
So, the most important question: would you use this on a normal day?
Definitely, and especially because everything is in one place.
And is there something you don't like?
It's not that I don't like it, but curling takes a little bit of practice. Once you get it, it's super easy.
That's totally fair, and I completely understand it. If I look at my multi-tool, I also had to get used to it, and from the get-go I wasn't 100% comfortable with it, but it takes time. But that's a completely different story. Let's continue. Now, obviously, I don't need to style my hair, but obviously again, but I'm looking for something that actually makes life easier, and I think we found it with this one. Watching her use this makes me happy. It's fast, intuitive and replaces a lot of separate tools, and that's where the value really is. So if you're still looking for a gift for your partner, your wife or your mother or your sister or someone else who actually uses these tools, this is generally a really solid option. Now, this wasn't just a gift. You really deserve it after all the hard work you've put into the channel, mainly behind the scenes. You haven't seen her so much lately in front, but I just wanted to say thank you. And of course to you guys and girls for supporting the channel over the years. So from both of us, we wish you all the best. We wish you all the best.
Okay, again.
Yeah?
We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in 2026.